Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe, and if you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. From the iconic TV series Gossip Girl, Blair Waldorf, a fashion iconic character says, "Fashion is the most powerful art there is. It's a movement, design, and architecture, all in one. It shows the world who we are and who we'd like to be." And I couldn't agree more. Today, we're talking about how fashion has influence. Let's get right to it. So the first thing I'd like to just delve into is the type of men you attract. Now, high value men have a preference: modesty, elegance, class, basically dressing up that shows you respect and value yourself. Dress skimpily in tight, revealing clothes, and you'll notice you'll attract low value men who only want to use you. So if you've noticed you attract low value men, it's time to see if your dressing is a contributing factor. I know I have had to throw some dresses that I really loved, and they were really high quality, and as I grew, I got taller and my body became different, so they're not the same as they used to be when I was a little bit younger. And I noticed every time I wear certain dresses, the type of men who will gravitate towards me, and I just knew these dresses have to go, and I saw a difference. So your fashion does affect the type of men you attract. I'm not saying that if you dress classy and modest with modesty and with elegance that you might not get some really weird creeps just coming towards you, but you will also attract high value men. The next point, opportunities. So once I got casted into a film because of how I dressed to the auditions. No kidding. They literally called me and said, can you dress how you dressed for the auditions? Really loved it. Your role is not that major, but please come dressed the way you were dressed. And I mean, what a blessing, and I really felt so good. So think about it. At an interview, you have a higher chance of being taken if you are something like a nude tone makeup, cool or neutral colored, compared to heavy colorful makeup and a bright colored heavy pattern clothes, you know. The third thing, self-esteem and confidence. This is something I always say, and I'm sure you know this by now. If you look good, you feel good. I hate it when I meet with someone and I look all raggedy, and when I'm all dressed up, I meet no one. I mean, feminine women are always looking well kept. You will not see them out and about in their PJs, in their bonnet. Before they leave their house, even to a nearby store, they want to ensure they're neat and tidy. You want to keep an image that makes you look effortlessly chic, even though you know you spent hours creating that look. And I'm not saying you go out to the nearby store with a fully done makeup, no. I'm just saying you go out to the store with your brows well brushed, with your lips not looking chapped, with some lip gloss or Vaseline, you know, wearing really well ironed clothes and just looking very neat. And think about it. And just a reminder, every time you get ready, remember, if you die, that's your ghost outfit forever. The fourth point, societal status. So this is obvious, and this is where the quality over quantity comes in. Also, lack of style or thereof. With the internet, you can always get inspiration from Pinterest, and if you budget well, you can buy basic quality pieces that can build up your wardrobe. Some high quality pieces we know are like the white tee, the button down white tee, good quality jeans, nice flats, nice heels, a blazer, a nice jacket. Those are some of the quality basic pieces. So high value women have adapted a style of dressing that identifies them as high value women, and these are simple things that they do that make them identify as high value women. They are precise with details and have an image to maintain. So you'll notice that this lady is high value because she knows she has to wear an accessory that's neat and nice. Her clothes are well ironed. Her hair doesn't have to be flat out neat, but like the way the French do it, something that looks like a messy bun, but it's very, very beautiful and nice. So they have learned how to maintain their image. There are certain colors that they won't wear because it doesn't flatter their skin tone. I hope my point has arrived, has gotten home. The fifth point is personality. Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. Now, as feminine women, we all have different styles, tastes, and personalities, and express it in our dressing. So there are feminine women who have a girly girl way of dressing, others have a minimalistic way of dressing, and others have this tomboy-like way of dressing, like for example Lori Harvey. So find your style and build your wardrobe, because today you're this, tomorrow you're that. No, find your style and focus on that and build on that. It will build your identity. The last point is the treatment you get. So dress how you want to be dressed. Men always think of women who are well dressed, looking all feminine, like a damsel in distress. They always men are always they give them this damsel in distress kind of approach. If, for example, a man will volunteer to carry your basket at the supermarket or pick an item at the top shelf at the supermarket based on how you're dressed, they want to take care of you because you take care of yourself. Also, I've seen a couple of TikTok videos where a lady is in sweats and probably falls down or needs a lift to somewhere and approaches a guy to help but gets blown off. And then she goes, changes into something pretty, gets all dolled up, and approaches the same men for help. And those men run to her rescue. They want to help her. And just because of how she was dressed, proving my point on how you dress is a very important way of will give you specific treatment. So ladies, that is it. Remember, fashion is art and you are the canvas. If you'd like more videos, please like and subscribe.